Okay, in this video, we're going to cover pallet stack. Now, the first video we did a single pallet, and the way that we did it, we came to the My ULD screen and we pressed the plus button. So we're going to do the same thing. Anytime you come to the My ULD, you see the plus button in the bottom, in the middle. You're going to press that. That's going to initiate a new transfer. So we do that. Now, the OCR opens up. Because I don't have an RFID reader. If I had an RFID reader, then it would give me the option to choose between RFID reader and the camera. So this time we're going to, when you select it, you have option single pallet, pallet stack, and containers. This time we're going to choose pallet stack. And what we're going to do is we're going to aim it at the pallet stack and we're going to take a picture. Now, when we take a picture, we press the checkbox, and what it's doing is it's showing us the pallets that it captured. Now, it didn't capture all the pallets that we saw on the screen, so we have an option. We can redo it. We can just press this and we can say, okay, you know what? I think you can do a better job, and I'm going to take another picture and check, and now you can see we captured more. So let's say, okay, we're happy with this. We press continue. Now, it captured 8, but let's say we noticed, oh, you know what? It's missing one. There's another one that it missed. It was at the top. Probably wasn't, the camera didn't capture it. So in that case, we're just going to select add new. The number that I see is called PMC. It's 34160, and the last two codes DS. Click OK. So we can add it. So if we want to, you can see there's actually 10 shown here because there's one at the top. If you see up here at the top, you can edit this one. So we call this one the master. The rest are the additional pallets. So there's one at the top and there's 9 here. Now we can add, or we can also select it and we can delete it. So if there was one in there that we decided we didn't want to use anymore or transfer anymore or remove it from this stack, we can do that as well. Okay, so once we come down, we choose the status of the stack. Now it's either serviceable, damaged, or unserviceable. If damaged or unserviceable, then it's going to give you the option to enter in some description. And this time we're going to just say it's serviceable, press continue. Now the ULD support equipment here is the ULD support equipment for the whole pallet stack. So it's not one particular one, but it's all going to be put against that master, which was the one at the top, the ULD ID at the top. So in a UCR, you're going to see all of the support equipment associated with that one. However, you will see all of the ULDs underneath it that are associated with the pallet stack. So let's say there was 3 fire covers, 3 nets, 7 straps, and 8 fittings. So we press continue. So now we can see, okay, here's the pallet stack. The main pallet stack number is PMC 6021241DS. It's a pallet stack. Here's the other 8, so there's 9 in total. It was serviceable. Here's all the support equipment. And then again, it offers us a picture so we can see what we took. But if we wanted to take another picture to show, oh, there's some damage or something, we can do that. So, or not necessarily damage, but we just want to take another angle of it, we can still do that. Okay, so we press continue, and now as you see at the top, what you see at the top is the pallet that we just added. So now, in what we have in My Details is the one down here. This is a single pallet, and the one on top that we just did is a pallet stack. Okay, we'll cover container in the next video.